you jot down what you do. Don't start. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my page. Welcome to our page. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. As you come, please share. Share this live stream, guys. 27 already. Thank you, guys. 37. We're just flying. 47. 60 something. Hey, 1 minute. Hello, guys. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, guys. Good evening, Mabel. Good evening. So today I'm not going to spend much time. I just want to go straight to the point. And first, I want to clarify something. Because someone just sent me a post from Ebony's brother, Prince Anything. Why would somebody have a voice note hidden on their phone? Now, when they make problem, they'll start playing the voice note. My brother, it's a pity that you cannot advise your sister. It's a pity that she's your breadwinner, so everybody's keeping quiet. It's a pity. Because I don't know where you were when this thing was starting on Facebook. You should be around. You should have seen what was going on. I to work about industry now. At least I will tell but you didn't. Una do get a period in another to escalate. That means you were not following. There was always a reason for Mary's audio. There was a reason. Because I hate when people lie. Mary's lie in your way at their family member. You can see there's a picture she posted on her page. That's my brother, my uncle. The woman is Mary's sister. My brother is married to her own sister, my own uncle. The same father, the same mother with my mom. So the family know the place where they Mary's now be the source. Mary's scattered everywhere with lies. So she's feed with lies. I wish she marriage. And why we know they bothered be saying that's not a mom, that's actually a sister. We are here this one is to Maris. Maris is another way life now. Wa fi wa ye boy amotemene wa mo hu ria ne oten wa no but ota ye hole. So it's my mother teaching me ota ye hole. So bro, there's always a time. I mean we now we life now na Rio talk. I say, where, it must come down once. So that is none of my business. And the reason why we brought that audio out was because my name is not Patient John. My name is Patience. So the reason why that audio came out was because of the lies Ebony put on people. A lot of people, Ebony Mary's go right for Facebook, say that people now actually tell her what things she do. Now people now do this one. People now instead of you to just come out and say, now me, now I go by myself. I know that I never know you. And for the records, guys, there was never a time where Maris and Ebony not they play. They have been playing, but that's their kind of friendship. So there's never a time. So there was never a time where they were not friends. So this one, so for Prince Any, I think I've corrected you. So you should have stopped all those things before this thing escalated. Not go the right quote. I hate people who try to cover their shit up with quotes. When a quote here Facebook, when a quote here TV Nigeria. And all of you were here yesterday. We were here at a Noge's live show yesterday. Please guys share the video because I'm going to actually play the audio that started that voice note. I go play the audio today and I go tell you now why I did respect somebody that make me not be play the full audio. After marriage, go write all those things for Facebook. She go write everything, write long notes, long letter, say this one, that one, that one. Now the thing really got me pissed off because me wa like one always ni wa agree ye nana mo we. Thank you, John. Welcome. Iwa ta ewe nana mo we. Iwa he. I will just know how to follow it. But a pretty price. Oh, you're talking pretty price in confess today. So. You know if you force me to play audio now, I need to talk. I know if you just come, I not be mad woman. I not be like all those people where they mad for Facebook, where you call they play audio. I must talk before I play audio. Calm down. You calm down. I will play audio. Calm down.
This is not your job.
Calm down. I'm not be saga person, so not be my work with this. And I they try to do the things in my own way. So calm down. So. Now they make me they forget wetin. If you know say you know if you stay till I play the audio, may you they go. Don't be by force say you dey here, okay? I hate when people are too like nosy. If you cannot wait, then go. I call no. One more so. You are like video was one play audio. I'm marking. That 24 told you too strong, go. I don't want that. May I continue with how they talk? So, yesterday I'd already sent message to Maris. I don't send message to Prince Annie because I actually saw his quote where they quote the post. Yesterday, it took Enoge 4 days. Took Enoge 4 days to actually convince all of us today on the live stream. But unfortunately, yesterday, fortunately, not be unfortunately, your mama, you know, baby now, now when baby sleeps more, you go sleep, because they only sleep for night. So she was already sleeping when Enoge actually called him. But I know that one day she'll be able to talk by herself. Always because everyone know that what I know that they marry all day. We marry on there. Monuga beg shall not don't allow no ye where no produce a few waga in ya no who have produced a few million way they target a first movie I produced it. My sister when I tend to tell you now I have to calm down. You are getting too much. You see the way you disgrace yourself yesterday on the live stream. You were talking about just I don't know how to put it, just nagging. Who they blame me for there? Who be that one they blame me? I want to tell almost world direct. Some people not even they get sense. I will tell Ebony that Ebony no as Ebony big she not get sense say she dey insult elders. Some people do it why government so why they have figure why feel some of now. So at the age of 30s or late 30s, so Ebony man why some of you are just too dull. Oh no, why problem on the society man? Also in the Nigerian man I think grow because all of you always think with one side. You always think with one side because you know if you have to say I forgot call Ebony for Ebony go and apologize.
The lowest class.
No.
The thing the best person.
Let me not talk put now. No one.
Sorry.
Ebony way be say he not even fit talk well for live video yesterday. You guys were all listening to her yesterday when she they shout. Now that kind of like your phone go they call. Some of your brain just get the way it be. And it's a pity that you guys are from my state and you guys are the same with me from this one state. So the thing sometimes they make me feel bad. Not with by education they say they get sense. So people they will not even go primary school where even get brain. You get it. So Ebony, you came on this thing yesterday and you were looking for reason why make me no want to play the full audio because I don't want to drag other people inside. Ebony had a boyfriend, one native doctor way dey inside upper. The man didn't say up on a guy, and dating doctor. The man even get wife. A guy no. So if Festina na do liye kiye ya we fi mi we guy ni. So everybody he beg Festina we fi mi be ba. Everybody na reacted. When everybody react here, everybody met him calm down. So she went to Facebook. Ona ya agben elele Facebook. That was when Maris knew there was fire on the mountain. So Maris now called the director. No gare sete. Festina no kamage. Oko Festina ya react ye wodo. Why that ye Maris? Maris auto boy gwa. That is my point inside. Okay, the Maris ya taladian. That is my point. But since ebony dollar da no do you bug budu or when ya gwa. Baby girl, try to they calm down. You see they sometimes you know they even they sometimes they even they try to protect it. If Maris not write all those nonsense which she write for Facebook. That's why I don't know to come where me. Mo one where again ni manale we kwe o maga kubo now he love you now. I want to take the blame. There was no need going from one corner to one corner. Writing, this one I teach me, this one not being teach me, this one I this one not being that, this one that was nonsense, Maris. If you are watching me, because I know you are watching me. Ebony, I know you are watching me also. Anyway, I'm not watching when when you fake account. When I want account not say 50 where I'm not watching. If you are when I want share, that is your personal business. Only my comment was if you are what made the result okay. That is for that. So everybody Latia, everybody now do bug butu know the way. May they play all the four. Everybody 1 year before you abi. 1 year before I will play for you. When you when I play the four, don't know what to be what we are sharing, you know, 20 million people keeping audio. Why are you two-faced? You are scared. Why are you two-faced? Why are you here? Or Facebook, people are keeping audio just to destroy you on the day, blah blah blah. Because when you think, I don't like people who don't think. But now that same post you go share her. The same you go come live video, come they talk say when you have the remaining video. When you have the remaining audio, and you cut but the come out where audio was not cut. Because I made a industry that made it why Maris Maya all say, but you guys are just far from each other, like and Maris say, Ebony say, I just only use that for my movie. Maris is a mechanic actor. You guys are just doing that to yourself until 2019. The London issue, they were not to take close because she wanted to go to London. Congratulations, you're in the UK. And I pray that anything you went to look for there, God will give you. But stop lying. Because with lies, you cannot achieve anything in life. That is just the truth. With lies, you can never achieve anything in life. That's just the truth. So, Ebony, where you are Ladian, Ebony takes Morocco. That's what you see in my what I've done, I met this one, I do this one, I built this one, I built this one. Come on, I have the secret. Where Bonnie, when I have a secret together, where Ladian and see man, where 10,000 pounds you do where Geo Vision, 10,000 pounds, and that was G. And that was G. I'm sorry, director, where you are married they talk. I'm sorry, I need to play your audio because I need to clarify you. Because already, everybody already know who Maris they talk with. But Maris don't tell her who she talk with. But she never really tell her how they take talk. She still they lie because she feel say we not go fit play the audio. So that makes she they lie. You were angry with Festina because she went to shoot in your man friend's house or there. Or then I shoot you away, so we were angry. And me, maybe Festina then I can play the audio because I want to hear from Festina also because everybody talking like okay no there. Now Festina when I am bona how you tell Festina where yet what they can direct. Or mother in her mama you got location mother muya. So that was what got Ebony angry. So all says all Festina you know marrow because you now felt Oboni Festina mi ene. And Ebony we miamia we even we a snatcher number we era gbona ike inide. The snatcher number we boni era gbona ike inide. May the soul of Sister Eileen rest in peace. Ebony we can snatch up there obey our former colleague. May also rest in peace. I can umana snatch him of Obama. Ruda wa mi fesina ya shoot if me wo where a my friend you were. Who kind of sunu ezo dene. Iya ga magui e no seaso ni ya me kamu wena. E me kamu wana. So since we they tell me why I ain't no deal. My blog would do matter nonsense. I would imitate an ladian. I said I will come out just once, and that once will be Liberation Day. I want to liberate many men who are under bondage in the hands of my own colleague, Ebony Obasui. There are so many men in your hands. They are under bondage. So many men in your hand that are under bondage. And you know it. You know it. So I was just thinking, since we are settling the issue, let it just die down. Then I will come another day, maybe during weekend, then you are free. I will come and I will do a liberation day. That will be the end. You know when you want to liberate people, liberation day. Liberation, when you want to liberate people, like say, let me help people, because many women are suffering in their husband's house. Many people have called me to tell me about how you have, what you have done to them. But you still come on social media and be blabbing and be talking. My darling, better change your ways. The end time is real, oh, like heaven is real. The bondage Nianje is too much. So that day I'm going to do a live video called Liberation Day. That will be my topic. So, may I not to talk too much. Mr. Director, I don't say you they watch me. Don't be angry I'm playing this your audio. I want to play the beginning of the life of the waiting really that marries and the person audio. You only nana kukugbe no rhyme. Because since everybody only ye need even no higher rhyme here. So I want to rhyme it for Ebony. Ebony, that was not a call conversation. It was an audio to audio. Audio to audio. Audio to audio. Audio to audio. No. I just only brought out the part there so that you might only see my way lagwe because I don't pay the full audio no na. Why do one bono him? Me my yoga bode. My no boje. Man. So me may understand. So Ebony Obasui. So why we are little bo Obony Okpagi client to where my yet away from you Obony, you were angry. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? It's not for you to come out yesterday and just say, okay, now I understand. Because after you talk, I actually talk again. Well, I just okay, easy now I understand. You let the matter just die down. You came out, you were bragging up and down. Bragging up and down. Bragging up and down. Una yon bo, what mama ya gbe we wa. Ema bejo. So imagine they only see my way by because iguale me. But the only thing I want now because I only see the obo by, I only see because I swear near the other ni, I only swear near because equal a problem with anybody. Everybody when a problem with, and I will handle you myself. You understand? I will handle it myself. Dragging other people inside doesn't make sense. That was how Festina Peters and Ebony became enemies. They were never quarreling just because Ebony ba Onaya Festina Banaya away from you where okay. Before you know Ebony Benelele with Facebook. You're using my name to shop at Duro, blah 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 bash. So guys, me I carry my speaker. I'm gonna share this video because guy, if you are here for the first time, please like my page. If you are here for the first time, like my page. Like my page, or if you are here for the first time, just like this page. And after all this while away day, because our elders are already in the matter, and I know very soon they're going to settle it. So maybe I will not even be coming out again, but I must do one video, even if our elders don't settle the matter. I must still do one video where I will tag Liberation Day. I want to really liberate the men where they. So I want to liberate the men where they, where you say, they themselves, oh, what it to agbe. I beg actress. I beg actress, what here, actress, I want to have a phone, anybody who have a job in London, a phone call, ya tema, one with phone, I want to hear, may I come greet you for us. You not go host me, you do ya do it here. This commercial one place, so now marriage now actually starts the conversation. So now go listen to me and now go listen attentively. Babe, send out for my Italian line, I beg. If you want any audio, watch this, salopua. Or are we for me now? The audio for that one for 24-bit and up. We don't already started those one. Overe no we show what we ma send ya again. So there's no need coming here because that audio go cost katakata. Maybe before you know, if one that presenter will come join because on my wagele more jogger. A godfather in Yagwa. No, everybody will call it 3 of my colleagues. They told me that I only called them at night. Gave me a good way audio ne Osas. Because my only got said the 24-bit you wanna make it the saga of your no Osas or in here. Me a good way a video no Osas. They called me. But to confirm everything here wa gele we pon your a group in here wa we wa call them pian 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 pian. Pian 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 here wa call them here wa call them pian 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 pian. So Ebony you swear yesterday say if you really do one Ebony tie ni ina bawe oge meni segbe na bawe oge Ebony o segbe me but imana ba oge eboya fenu tie egbe wori Ebony Ebony anyway ko eni ni wo to bawe mu negbo so o se enu na file eboya nu tie no de nu na atage o ma won anybody tito oge imeni segbe me na bawe oge eboya nu tie ni o segbe me but imana bawe oge una do you gonna yak on oge social media eboya nu tie best o yo basuyi best obasuyi eboya fe nu tie egbe working e yard ye best enoma obasuyi that's your full name best enoma obasuyi everything will go back to you dina to genyawe tu na gele mwe phone tie colleague man on we video no sasi we wagu we video ne we mege isi mare e London wa ma we video ne uke we you were warning people but we tie ni ina bawo oge eboni o degbe me but imana bawo oge best enoma obasuyi everything will go back to you. Normal say me, yati normal, normal ma no ni we gbe ti ni nebo. Ni we gbe ti because you make a mistake you but normal we no normal say me. E normal say best e basuyi ebo me na ba we oge. Ebo ya nu tie no de ogele de nyame but imana ba we oge. Imana ba we oge mi ya nu ta no de ye gbe wori ye. Normal say best obasuyi. when on the phone one name ma already ene e ba ma o ma e colleague me ni be beg me no ma o again 24-bit now have sons of legends. The boy was so amazed. What they amazed, all of them were happy. Because I don't even do there. What we not sorry 7 re. Eh, we have a video. I have a video. I go get some around to everybody what they phone. I call it that. Wagu we be video ni. Wagu one on wagu we knock back. No matter say best ebony. But my one audio to confirm it to audio ni your back beje on back because eni awa ti erin ya wuwe ni ati oga wuwe yan wa gbe audio ni iya ya fe wa we o iya ya fe ni wa me group yan they all did it to spoil 24-bit show but to Saloba ma kwe won sa amuja no mane ete Saloba ma kwe but the audio ni ma wa kaka bo me ogo ni colleague me ya wa call me na kama me game no sunu Audio ni ma wa meni oga patapata rin ya no ima ni swe ni yenu suppose wa ya fe amere no wa ya think ge go wan okin ona wa pe audio game wan ha me awe nene why go do video for this person you don't know say this man I first start this show you don't know say this one ma be send the get the right for authorities no one on show I send the voice note ni ge live video na do I send the voice note ni so sasi to boy we here very to ma he to that aside. So let's go back to the audio. Maybe don't say now. Okay. Let's go back to the audio. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Wadame o do I hon wa betamame? Do I hon wa betamame? Do I hon wa betamame? So now yeah. So mo start. I want start on director, not vessel. Say I play this audio. I be no one playing, but your your friends they honor your boss who do know that, so I have to play it. Please don't be angry because you might take me down. If you know matter you way. So guys, are you listening? I want to really tell you guys how the audio tester because everybody needed it yesterday. She said to Maga Gia. Okay. Waiting Maga Gia. So yeah, how am I going Gia? I was just trying to prove a point to Maris to tell Maris been girl enough to always say the truth at any time. Don't put lies on people because you want to gain favor from somebody. Always own up to your mistakes. If you have made mistakes, when you are making mistake, I will agree to it. I will not just come and say, oh, if Festina was sending out with any or Decanatos here or Classic Glorious here or some locals here or Shanopam here or Ishmael may not be more here or I will just say mistake in or allow or agree. That is it. So guys, let's play it. We are making we are no more supposed to make.
Jeff, what soon na do ko no de Facebook na. But Jeff, oko wa de Festina we boni. Tapia ye mere ma me I the food gist. Me action one right now.
Unayera, from this conversation, we will try to talk through. Not be person starter. Not be married start the conversation. Not be married talk to the person. So the person can't reply.
Really, my man, I get you. It didn't hear any yag. My man, if you miss no location Festina, a job, we are a job. I want to tell you issue of back. Me have a tape Festina in there, so I'll get back to you, but make I read the criminal.
Unayera. Now she actually talked to the person. I just want the point can't give you now to open person. Now she actually now Maris actually voice the person. Not saying that the person can't voice Maris, can't force Maris to talk. Hey, unstoppable. Now you want finish. I'm not fit to. When you think Bemilan or Bo, men gonna have Bemilan or Bo. Wala go. So now the thing come. Now may I repeat that again. May I repeat that again. May I start all over again. Mona listen again or the thing take start.
Jeff, wasunu na doko no debe Facebook na. But Jeff, oko wa dele festina we boni. Tafia ye mere ma me I the food gist. Me action one right now.
Now yeah. Then my director can't reply. Can't say yeah.
Really, me man a jekirio. Ideni ahiani yage. Me man fi mi sunu si mete are location festina ve na wa e job e me ya we na me we job e fu. O ma tete ni issue ropa. Me have a tie festina in name no so I'll get back to you but me ka already film me na.
He not even know what thing they happen. He was not aware that everybody like anything for Facebook. He's not aware. Some of you know not be Jeff not be your boy. No, that they understand. He was a director for Festina set. Now he direct the film for Festina for the Obo house. You understand? But my sister Amaris can't come out for Facebook because they talk saying people now if they tell her what he do. That was wrong, baby girl. Because you try to spoil other people because you say you want gain friendship. That is a very wrong thing to do. That is a very wrong thing to do. So, after my director talk, say, he never say anything for Facebook because he dey busy. He dey work for Okobo house. Salomon, when I easy. In they work for they go for the Obo house. So he never get time. He never get Sharon, what baby. He never get time to look what thing they happen for Facebook. So now Madis continue with the conversation. Now she say, Mona listen to a reply. She say,
Pa, again na. Omana advisor. Yeah, we advising be. What is wrong with her? They know a problem, okay? Ugasemeboni. The name in Ebony building na. The name Asha wanna build the layer. No ya would be ya for a do. She had the effrontery to go on Facebook and post that. Oh, again Asha wiki she anyway. Okay, my girl Pamela Yuki Williams. Only now we post. She's already my yena bros. Where men winner. Men you are here, love here, internet me why here. So yeah, what post 1-2 minutes me only now we are post. So where Pana me where money we film me do. Ima big ma. Where akubere everywhere bima. We jealousy work by here. Everybody now ya post yo, then shalom. On now ya post yo. Everybody now ya post yo. Ya comment here now we day here. Is she mad? Ah, wow. You see this life, bros. I'm gonna talk be yo bere. Ya wo pe a. E wo to me. Eleni na twinny, honey, sugar, bestie, amagi yere. In less than how many minutes now? If no matter say 1 year, and you not turn around. Oh my baby bunny. When I'm hearing your pale like boy agree. Right now, you wish a Sandra, in your good one before. When you have a good one. But say I'm a best yeah, we are for but say I'm to be. I don't get it. You're a princess or a princess Akeswa. Quarter. You're a Sharon, quarter. Yeah, where in the festina, correct. Very soon, Oma, metota.
So now Jeff, now my director can reply and say, no. He can't reply and say, Mona listen.
Remember we watch out for the return match of Ogin Easy Shine. Men were the soon but one thing you should know, if you not see an Ebony not popular everywhere in quarreling and all this issue, it's a bit even with her where what is wrong with her. When I wonder what is wrong with her, oh yeah, everything they popular, but really may then wonder. I forget it. So my mind is born. Even where I will make it, my young my real life, yeah, drop a man, drop any. Ariave, you know. My young when you are not a woman or where walking a year, walking a mountain is okay. You see, sometimes mama or irrelevant in it. If I were Festina Peters, then I was posting, I won't reply. It was always Zuayo because the Festina now, Festina, I were all team or you see, a bummer has a misro here, but let's just leave it. It was the telephone were no verse if you phone. A meaning bonus, but I don't talk, I don't argue. So when you're in a committed bonus, you know, post a my because in me, Omanati, I see me now, we was your name on and I walk away. It's okay, give my quality a female. I worry, my dear girl. Me akpane me ati wenu do bu me ade ni ma mo picture na post kan bo webo I is post be webo in woda bet agbe ekiri ma re ayo ma agbe bo ni ma je yo apattention ti an wu
Now they hear. So from there, Maris can reply. Say, be Ebony, you want to hear the full audio? I go send the full audio for you. May you they listen. Because I know say you they watch me now. Next time, hey, you brag. A bragging even we are brag. The one we are brag. The one we are yet in me. I don't understand. I hate people who brag. Me tell you the matter settle and they'll die. But the way we are going, more are coming for you. The Liberation Day is coming, guys. Wait for that day.
I will leave that girl gist. Ebony daughter bam. Edwegi there. I know myself. I give him. She don't tamba. Which they do her own. They not tell her. I be aware no lawa. If I do came like yes. They did. Bro, let's enjoy. I leave you. May you relax. Hope your day went well.
So normal said best Ebony Obasi. That was the full audio. Since you wanted to listen to the full audio yesterday, you were telling you no gay. Yeah, we cut. So I just feel like me, I don't even do everything once. Me, I know say I don't rest for this matter. Something just they tell me I just do the Liberation Day today. So now don't hear the full audio now. Ebony needed it. Ebony, you don't hear her now, B. You don't hear her because yesterday you were just boasting online, saying they cut they do this one, they do. Me borogbe, and the man why I believe you were. Me I was a man I believe you were. Borogbe. I got borrowed. The one where I borrowed, the one where I reacting me. And they give you a spoon now. If you calm down. Say you enter, you just face your own business. Imagine where you are free to do your thing. It's just like a Nuga Atano there where I saw a post where colleagues you were stop a video where Bonnie Basu I put it to you, Mama a video. I don't watch you. If I send in you, I send a email inbox. If you want me to bring it out, I can bring it out. Mama with a video where no there. Ebony is ashamed that you don't know how Uma gave a Facebook in the community. A Facebook in the guideline. Maybe a Nuga Atalo was wrong or say anything video where. Or maybe the redhead in the manga avion was too much or say because mega beg where I fancy where we have a do report or woman. It might tell me not bad. I'm just doing my thing. Maybe a Nuga Atalo was bad. Say I drop a video. Uta know that we already know I'm very good when it comes to internet. Thank you. I'm not praising me. I'm very good when it comes to internet. I'm an internet guru. No, I never reached guru. I'm an internet lover. You understand? I'm very good when it comes to internet. Because of that one, when I figure modo stop a video when there, man. I'm coming. Me kwe like in we are tell of Facebook itself. Me like kakabo because when we go missing, go off point. So me go like anyone full legbewe. Imagine me like anyone disgrace legbewe with Facebook so that the man make an agba we gbon manuki. So me yet to stop a video where because I stop me in evidence. So me prefer we go away video me have evidence. Me one like no so in come when now even you think very ni magbere class in no do stop you stop a video where what's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of a live video? I can't do that. I'm bigger than that already. You should know by now. You should know by now. So let me and back to sender. So guys, then should I play this audio or should I just leave it? Just confused whether to play the audio or to leave it. The audio is too many. I don't even know where to start from. Funny enough, wetin Ebony no know be say. Wetin she no know be say as we dey do, many people go dey reach out to me. My phone full. And so many people call me for Madison where Emani Buno calling me for where Bungbe. Man that here. Here wa gogo. Here wa pon me. So where this so where you pona ya yeri go ya ma wu biene. Ya na ya gba ogewe. Agba o ga ajo bushi e po bayi. Ya na agba ogewe ana we mi ya nu e. Anu ma ha mi ya u biene mo be ha mi ya we gbe ama. That's bad. That's fraud. Oh, we bien, they took on ari go we bien, we see ne. Wa si omo na see my sister. I command no money can wa kwe. Omo na dey proud of no. You na dey proud no. Ojo ni bungbe, me make ni me ake swen. I beg audio pokwa. See audio plenty. Sometimes I don't really want to play it. But no, forget about that Maris and Ebony. And they know it's their friendship. Not even myself, we have the same thing I back him. It's a friendship. They have right to be friends. That's not my business. A business, only a business in me. And the marriage is yagban a Facebook or so we marriage la. They did marriage magben ni. A marriage egaru wish you now. She will not even be inside this issue. Yeah, the end because my can't again. But a cannot can is quite different. Because only I got we are commenting your game wune. So that thing really touched me because I say unwe. Imagine ya work on once we life in and apart from this moment in una. I was all about wo ya bome. Imagine ya work I took you as my own. Everything I gave to you. I never one day treated you bad. But you keep fighting against me. Keboke ya lele me been at a time not a dog of industry. Was all about the movement by Benak by Bay. You understand? So yeah, like back bay, but that way my day are. No, I don't want to do any paid show for anybody. I was just joking yesterday. I'm not in for any paid show. And I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to Classic Gloria YouTube channel. And that really make me thank you all. You guys are the real MVP because I'm a real bonnet. Okay, I can't marry. The only place now I want to can marry is oh, you can only tie. You can only tag ogane we that one don't die. Everybody when post a marriage na comment yogi me gune we that one don't die. So the thing really pain me. I not believe say I wanna be of a wish of my death. And the thing really shocked me because that was what I at least expected that from Maris. I got man over yam. I at least expected that from you. I get your gist to plenty, but because we be family, Maris, I go leave you. Your gist plenty. People call me from different countries telling me about you. This is the way gay. I will leave that aside for now. But what I want to really talk about now, I want to really advise a lot of women, both in Benin and the ones who are abroad. And no, this will not be women, the men. I want to advise many of the men. When you are married, you should stick to your wife. If you don't love your wife, you better, if you feel like say you want shook, one way me. Why are you weak be agia? Ya weak be agia. Why are you shook any wa we were? Why are you shook any wa we were? There's no need you handle ya. We handle zoma say wadwaro ebodo de, because sometimes you don't know which kind of girls are like people like Ebony. Waiting here, I'm agbon you. I'm agbon you where this one a bad girl, that one a good girl, this one an enemy girl. So sometimes we should be careful. We should be careful with how we deal with things. We should be careful how we deal with such things. You understand? We should be careful because the way some guys say desperate when it comes to men, especially men, especially ready-made men on megone. The way some girls say desperate for men, we don't already dey okay. The desperation how. If you even listen to some audio, you even they cry. They cry because you know they really.
I know for us. You can't say the same you understand? I mean, I don't know. I can't explain. You know, if I show you the day when I first did when I did Benin, because actually I left Benin when I was very young. I left when I was about 22. You know, so yeah.
This audio, I go only play one way they important because the rest now actually. I know say they are. Me they hear your voice for inside. My mom, they tell me to calm down. I go play. I never play the audio. I want just give you an example. I'm not going to play too much of them because the audio is actually too much. But I go advise my friend. No, she's not my friend. My colleague. I will fetish missing you know ya mwikbia. Hey gawe Emma. Mo say e marry hair tie. Ya gbon wa ya ma. So na me go ya no emi obian ro pa ma tin ya we ni agbon. Because he gonna me with the normal man or the normal man result. I don't even need the viewers and Bulu Sabi or anywhere. If you be say now the viewers now day after they tell you say now liberation of men. Liberation day. I want you up. I don't want to come out again. I want just do everything together because I can't shift and can't go down that. You can't get as it be. Let me just do everything once. Not good. All those the thing. If you look, if some of those that we go listen to, you go really they feel them. It's not good. You know if you just find money. That man where you use that champ for that person I born her. That man is just like your own brother. Imagine say girl, can't use time to catch your brother. How you go feel? You will not like it. So Emina will not sunu dama. Emina will not sunu dama. I wear dama because we met tenikbia. We met tenikbia. We met tenikbia. So I wear guy who that way. I wear dama because now wear that one up. You will not be happy. It's just the truth. You will not be happy about it. Okay, my yak big me and what do Diane Lily? Me no kuna lele there wa we force wa we hallelujah here. Yeah, was what even a gay baba. Me man that force is too much. And it's not good for you. When you measure, me actress. I'm not an actress. A costume will move you money and here we film. Any guana expecting me pa wa ye gbe boni wa. But in how me again I will say I ne because he got gbe ban expecting money away amo le keso ne e dojo ma e on bi o mani we do aven iye de gwa lo. And I will again say I ne. There's never a time, Ebony, that I'm going to fade away. But you're an actress. I'm a costumer. I will keep doing my costume work. I'll keep producing my film. It's just like Emmy Song. I knew Emmy Song when I was very small. Emmy Song is still in the industry till now. But what as I actress ni ya so very ni. Iya hero, iya fall by the wayside in any. Iya your man. So this one I go listen carefully because you might only drag anybody. I'll just play only one and one it be a I'll be you Eko ya na wa mie awa tombomu awa lele. It's not good, you know. It's not good. It's not good. So I'm going to play this one for you guys to just understand what I'm trying to say because I don't say things here. When I say the audio here na 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh?
You know be saga person. You get your own job.
But I want you to play one, only one. My mother the same I'm not playing.
Small. The job you give them, you don't reach.
I'll just play small for the audio. I just play small so that many people will actually get sense. I don't play till the end. I just play the part where they important. They will beg you, let me play the audio. Yeah, that's where I want really to play. I want really play some things. May I tell you, say how these people they actually get their money from this forceful relationship. But then you go, and it's sometimes the things they really baffle me. So guys, you know, listen.
When I left Battle 2, so I came here around there. So I was still very young when I came here. So, I mean, everybody know near her. That time I didn't been able to know near her for anywhere, you know. I know, I mean, it's very difficult to explain. I don't understand. Once, if she, I know, you know, it go be like some kind of magnetic field, you know, magnetic field with some kind of force. So that's, I don't feel explain, you know, I don't feel explain. I just think this type of saying, she can't tell me, say, okay, she just can't come, she gonna say she need to, not gonna say, she gonna say she want to do this UK runs, blah, blah, blah. Say she want to do UK visa at that time, I think when they say they go UK, she can't say they say she pay a heavy money for account. Now I say, they say she need 5K, 5M. Now I tell her, say, Capital Sakumbo, now from my grandpa hometown for home there, Capital Sakumbo. I told her, say, Capital Sakumbo papa and my grandpa house, now 5 minutes walk. I say, no businessman will bring 5M come out for account. I say, people, they get invested. I told her, say, me, I know they keep money for account. They always like to buy shares. I know they save money. If I get money too much for account, maybe like 500 or 500K or something. Maybe like something like that. Maybe just in the case of you never can tell, you know. So she can't talk now. As she talk, she can't cry. I mean, if you need to, she go they cry like baby. If you go they cry, she they talk say, you know, she not go to help her. And so she they complain, say now so your mama they stay with her, now so they take care of so many people, and they train sister for Uniben. I mean, I can't get that you know, I can't get that she can't say this thing mean a lot to her career, you know, blah blah blah. I can't say you get people around the world now. You get at least I say I don't feel I can't say you get somebody now. You say you don't get, you say you get you call it. I can say okay. I come within. Maybe if you I for send Nigeria, I'm not Nigeria. I for send the receipt. I say get the receipt. I said I can send her 2M within 1 week. You understand? 2M.
Nayera, you say you send her 2 million within 1 week. Within 1 week, you send her 2 million within 1 week. Where I want play now, where they make me fear. Now make I come out say, I may be working out of me. Because we may not be a banner, whoever we are here, but I will not be happy. I will not be happy. May I go back? Many of them, maybe not hear that part where they say give her 2 million.
I mean, I can't get that. You know, I can't get that. She can't say this thing mean a lot to her career. You know, blah blah blah. I can't say you get people around the world now. You get at least. I say I don't feel it. I can't say you get somebody now. You say you don't get. You say you get. You call it. Yeah. I can't say okay. I can't within. I mean, if you I for send Nigeria, I'm not Nigeria. I for send the receipt. I say get the receipt. I said I can't send her 2M within 1 week. You understand? 2M. So it costs I borrow. You understand? Because I will send the receipt. I can't send the receipt. After them, my sister, if I tell you what I passed through, I say before my this thing, because you know say you get going on a day for beginning that time. We don't quarrel, I just travel here. So we still be friends. They get don't marry, and we be friends. The husband know me. So I don't feel call my people. They'll say, I wish kind of stupidity. You know what I mean now? You know, if you go, they'll say when you go, they'll say you get because and they carry my family, they go home all the time. You understand? So even you don't want me, now they look for me since there. That time I understand at the moment when she borrowed, I should look for.
Who be this Adesuwa? Adesuwa say Mugu for. Not be Mugu. I mean, say do we let bo we waking. I tell me Mugu.
So I don't tell, so I can't call that my babe. I can't say that my ex. I can't say see. I'm not like the babe. I'm not like I can't say I just did because the girl papa get house for maybe if you don't go in go side, the girl papa get house for who stay, you know, and who stay side for you go. So now he can't say go do research. Now he can't tell me say I never tell her the babe. I can't say so I say again the babe. I say I to church. Now he can't tell me say I never tell her the babe. I can't say so I say again the babe. I say to when I drive work this morning. I say I nearly die for now. Small remember I for just drive come up for road. I can't say it don't happen 2 times like that. And I can't say after I come to me say if I say I borrow somebody man, I'm never make sure this your friend name. He say the best thing make I. He say the best thing make I tell the base make she forget to. Make I tell the person I bought person him some money. That makes she forget to. Otherwise, I go regret because don't say something I don't tell my cousin because my cousin don't tell me long time. He tell me say my cousin of France say no try am. So today I don't fit tell her. So now I tell you now say I don't tell you now. I don't need to tell husband.
The man saying they go work almost 2 times, he almost die for road. Because now the first he don't give somebody money in the hope say na borrow. But at the end, the audio I don't feel listen, the thing touch me, I don't feel your thing just they give me say your enemy almost die for road, this and that and this. Then on that story day, this one I don't even want to play. I just use my mouth to talk because there's no need for audio. One man there America meet my sister. The man was America 3 weeks or whatever you want. His wife not even know what that happen. Wife go ask and say, what you want go do? He go say, I want go invest. He go come up 3 weeks. You know, not the distance between America and Nigeria. The distance far. Where? Until the wife come finally know what thing they go they do for the not care where my dear we yakpa ne. You go hero. If I mind me go ya jowa and I do I will kind of do anything no soon. That's why mommy go ya you man no see money to go out Nigeria. Body go the hot time go they cry. Agripa. Sister take it easy oh. Take it easy. Life in now. Me rock by wrong Your boy can say yakin. Wa we la jame na do brag. Wa brag emi ya ikpefo. Wa we de gbe la tan do brag ikpeyafo. Beyafo. When ya bono ye Port Harcourt ya muja ipo ya lalu iko. Udo na so agbegbe aga udo na so the work fully. Things about you I know. But say I just want to keep quiet. But you come live video, you they brag. I'm talking to you. You do this. You do that. You do this. You the provoke person. And when you may not I provoke. While provoking me, I clap back at you. You don't provoke me. Then this same person where they collect this money, pia. You will come out. Now she know because now she can't brag for not be we because we know her. So only my kaima life no. That's a private life. That's a private life. But anything we person they do for life, there's always a think because you got brothers. You actually got brothers. So many men for that being. You say me, I'm a politician. I'm a registered PDP member. So I dey roll with politicians for my local government for my Bubaka. Just be like my power. I just call this evening. Just call me this evening. Tell me say, Ebony new name now. What has it guy? I work at those states or a near Bonnie. That's what my pa told me this evening. I don't want to call my pa name. But Ebony, you know why they talk. If I tell you say my pa, because you know my pa. My pa say now working at those states. That's supposed to be Ebony guy's name. Not be those states first daughter. I go say Ebony billion of working those states.
First wife.
You go say Ebony billion aka of working those states. Everybody knows you. You know I'm not lying. You know very well that I'm not lying. Yesterday in your live, in your talk, say me. After everybody don't come up for the live video, I actually went back to get live video. I tried to watch, listen. I'll be person like that. I go all day my bed, I'll put my earpiece, I'll try to listen. I don't see already say you don't try to exonerate me. Come up for the matter. You want just face Festina and Sharon. You want to exonerate me, my dear. Not be Festina and Sharon call you out. Now me and I call you out. So there's no need to exonerate me. And focus on Festina and Sharon. No, you're making a mistake. They never called you out. They only came to support me because I'm their friend. Now, so Mary is supposed also do to you. Mary's go see come out, can't support you because you are Mary's friend. I was say they were my friends and they had a lot of things to talk about. They had to join me and talk. So you have to face me and don't face them. But I tell matter because more tear ya tie we. You don't know my pa, Ebony. You don't know where. She go Clint Zara said she go buy that one her business. She like me she buy original China. That's her business now. Her property now be that one don't really concern anybody now. Her life that she get right to buy any bag which she want buy. If like me she go buy but the only part where I don't like now, they mention industry. I don't like it. You have a free choice to live your life. Nobody, I'm not holding you. You are not holding me. Everybody's living their life. You understand? But if you are doing something in life, always have a rethink. Because when you met a presenting river, you have brothers. If tomorrow the person can't do you all those things, can't do your brother all those things, you not go dey happy. Yes. You will not be happy. You will be the one to be shouting, hey, ya moto mek pa o ale look bedo ya fe hian. Ami owo bonu hian jo. You understand? So, but guys say, guys say, where are you? When I have your be on in the tea on me, ya. I will ready on in my darling. I will ready on. And let that ready on. Why are we me? I will ready on. I need radio. We were meeting it behind it's when it be ya momo ya waro. But be wa go ma we pakan. Not good now, not make sense. Gate matter might be not really make sense. Let's be truthful. Why we name in woman idea name boy you man idea name boy you do the yove where ya di go no why ire we to have borrow ya di go no na if you only waiting at take guban I be almost don't die 2 times. I can't need to call person for house. I can't say, may I leave the money for her. Not good. We work borrow for ne. We work borrow. The money you borrow, the money you larger attacking ne. The money you have larger no. Kaka mawe. But when me wana ebe la kona. Me wana kugwa ne ho. Ebony, we na ba hia tio we na he. Agbini industry gbera. Me come when I go and apologize. This one is my own fight. Because a new dame is very bad. You cannot be wishing me death. You cannot be wishing me death. New one here again. But since 2 years, okay, wishing me death. Imagu, we may hear wherever. Where? I want we watara gune for 2 years. I want imagu. You rest. On our behalf of Ebony, with the Ebony Association, waiting happen to an association.
Say them they beg. We could forgive. We not forgive now.
Me tell you where now that blabbing way come black yesterday for a no gay platform. This thing really pain me. What way you're letting me? Ebony, let me run from you. You know how I take run from me. You know how. You know how. You understand? You know how I take on from you. So I don't run, I don't come on because I don't want fetish life. I've also went on industry to where the young go. I be only and only people are boiling back home. Even I was still wear best, you were not commenting here post to they are all angry back home. Everybody is angry. Everybody really wants to come out and talk. Now, 10 minutes later, they say, "What total why guan? This me guane why were?" Agbara la dia guan we ale la wa. So calm down. Just life in our life we take time my go son wa. Tell me ya gboro on Facebook wala wo why were. This matter na ogun esin or die down esin. But Where go Latin wa calm down, baby. Calm down. Calm down. So guys, I get more audio, so plenty, but like my mom just said, I just want to play the key part of the audio. I know my mom asked me not to play, and I'm supposed to respect her. But if everybody not stop, the day I will do live video, not there, so I'll do it for outside. My mother not going to know how they do live video. She not going to know how they do live video. You are we feed. Ebony we gugwana. You didn't want him wakutana. So I say. Ebony a lot of things in you. Ebony. When I alley the chairman back, the man in the community. Around Bobo, don't alley the chairman back. Unato, a wiku na wiku na wale lari wana agbe 4 days. 4 days. Echema iga go le bi no ya ku efu a echema na iga color wa no mu were la o lare ba ha ku get la fa iware ana ibe do toge ana do wan range arrest or do ya ku efu iware. I do arrange that might get come classless rich. When my je we wa mi wiku wa mu we pari ogwa. Where I gbé 4 days ago, why? Where I gbé 4 days ago, why? Ogbeni me do hama we do ahia ugu pa. Ogbeni me hama we yeri ko ugu pa. Ogbeni me hama we heya we mi ugu pa. We no hia one no wa stay yo why one we make us stay there that we. And I we do arrange get police do arrest here ya fe. That akwe boni for you one day. Ere akwe for you one that do arrange police no do arrest here ya fe. That one I go do that story for film. I do arrange police. I go arrange police. No do arrest me with the house. I never knew where they buy money we down. Well, you might buy we are you. Ebony Barrio one a chairman I have a cook by for hotel. I could I don't have a quarry why. But while I have a Facebook, do I target? I help all of them. I enemy them. Your life does not concern me, but stop bringing us down. Stop making people feel like in my area like a cockroach when you know I'm actually the one helping you. Thank God I'm very good with internet. Thank you for that. Ukama 4 years YouTube we. Umare ma pay we modogu we 4 years YouTube ma pay we go we. No more no thing no money in 20,000. When I do spray, we not do spray me. Out of $1,600, not the 20,000 naira me. Ma charge you we. E matter ma 60-40 we ni care we do 60-40. Ina we go ya dey go. Out of $1,600, not the 20K go me. Una we tell am we do the live video 20K. Una we tell am we live video. I bet if me bring my bag, my waist bag from inside room, mommy. 20K no matter go. We not tell that where I gave her money, I spend money. Ebony, you go yarwo. Ya help my Nigeria dey digole legbeji. Digole legbeji so that as in Nigeria 20K problem in me. We get it no matter the money where I spread her. Utami out of $1,600, 20,000 can audio me we 20K. I still have the video. I go post the video for Namona watch. My wallet. I want show now. May not be like say they lie. Where are Latin? Where do I borrow? Do I borrow? Any yafa? Guy, eti toge. Ya akpa Nigeria re. Igo iwari ele so that it digoji. So that I say Nigeria. Imigo low, Nigeria money no, Europe, but because I ask Nigeria, you change go, guy, what die, a bondo no, guy, bondo no, it dies. New meter, no, you want digoji from me, manak bariowa. Out of $1,600, when I do spray me 20,000, when I attire a live video, I spray her. Oh God, it is the next time. And you cannot make a mistake. For 4 years, a YouTube where my pay where. I help you to money. I help you to do everything. Then, my guy go. You know when you can test again and you give it again. Now you're very greedy. Out of $1,600, nu ga me without 4 years in it. Without 4 years in it, at the end, you gave me to 20,000 now to do film. Ebony me luwe na be film me. I casted you in my movie called Eyi. Eyi, you were an actor. It's on the way Mother TV. Do people are thinking I'm lying? Go and watch. I know be Facebook professional. That's how I mean. They say I never see me for TV before. And I never say I know the day TV. More Luigo Jo. When you act more do. Yeah, we executive producer. More Luigo Jo. Ego more loyo. So I'm not acting. I'm an executive producer. I more Luigo Jo Luigo Yo. I'm the CEO Ewe Made TV. Where the YouTube all of una know. Na me get Ewe Made TV. Na me get Ewe Made TV. More Luigo Yo Ego loyo film. Me I digo jine me the way I boni wado ati me. Total we na. Look at ya agin ya education. We ati me oya we gbera we lare we ma we se lare ya we a. U shati gbe reduce the voice we. We re gbe we a DJ. That is my role when it comes to filming. You get? Oh, somebody said how much she forgive me. For $1,600, she give me 20K. Do you know what is this? It is 60-40 in a normal way. 60-40. So everyone is still owing me money. Anyway, you know YouTube in Nigeria, go and ask them, it's 60-40. She still owing me money. 60-40. So as that money be 60-40, it will be how much like that? I won't go be... If it be 50-50, it will be 800. So I won't go be... like 900. So but if it's too small, supposed to give me like even $600. If I'm lying, guys, now when they laugh, I'm not laughing. When I go watch my movie, then my YouTube channel is Ehi, and I be the title EHI. Ebony was the lead character in that film. If he may very regretted that he may Ebony with film. If he may we happy, that's him lost. You know where the baby where? Oh, any yata wagbon. Any yata, if he may wanna, if he may now phone, another we. Everything lost. Our spiritual people, now we now where the bill location, now we will have a ticket to yake we bore. On that set, no gay wife, she can't greet us for that set. She's a witness. She was there. Now the twin we set in. That was my movie. If they so web paper, man, I should everybody now. Oh, I'm a little video pan now. You are very correct. Everybody now you are in go over. Professional beggar. Professional. Digoji. Go ke pense ke ya yare wan. And I have borrowed keep quiet. I do a live video. Keep quiet. Calm down. Go inside the house. If you go inside the house, I will go inside. When I go, I will come back. $1,600. Well, then what? $1,600. $1,600. She gave me 20,000. I don't have a tie. Live you don't know that. No, don't have a tie. Again, now girl, you are real. You have a tie. Live video. So while I will go, you guys should keep praying for yourselves. Always pray with your men. Is there Ewe Made TV? Oh, you share movie na rea. You share movie na rea. You guys tell you Ebony oh, you know they use me for film. If you move ni ana tebe luwe. Me I share and put for you my opinion. If you move ni ana tebe luwe. O igeri luwe Sharon Omagire. EHI ehi. Omagire awe Sharon already film. Ma ni ave Sharon me o. Honest, ni ave Sharon here type because that's it. Just go to Ewemade TV. Ewemade TV. Ewemade TV. Wage the story waga igie because Emi Yamata. Ewemade TV. Ewemade. Shall I we film Ewemade gbete me. I give me YouTube channel me. Gbe wa we me. Sharon, ya we film Ewemade. No lave you. Sharon ve you. This is my YouTube channel, see. Ewemade TV Nollywood. So, if you check here, you check Ehi. See Ehi. Videos. I understand the when YouTube be wa vision. Okay, this is a movie. Meaning destiny. Movie is there. You go and watch it and you see for yourself. So many of you don't know me. You are saying, hey, we're not sit there for movie. See, this is the movie. That's my channel. Ewemade TV. Then you put /Nollywood. This is it. So I'm a producer. None of them they see me for film. So not be say I will share the film for my work today. So not be say I the art. I not be actress, but the only thing I do is I produce more loyo. Then you even when I be take costume. More view money and a job a film. If you me boni ni na view money ya bungbe. My think kai. To be regard more o my suffer go so the 20,000 they go so the 25 video. So akebe have to see go akebe do pay. So that's it, guys. If everybody comes out again.
Somebody published it.
Okay, somebody has seen it. If everybody comes back again, I will come back. Everybody is a promise. And that time, maybe I not go. If I want you to do the live video, I'll go outside. I'll go inside feed. So my mother not will tell me make I stop. Thank you so much, Diver Uche. Say I always watch your movies. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
No, they don't reach there.
So
Those times are supposed to go for. If somebody watch it, they go tell them, is this one now just first slow?
when I go watch the story, now can't give me feedback. Well, I understand. I can't give me the feedback. So that's why not many of you you don't see. Now me do a pastor combat. Thank you so much. Ah, somebody know me for years. Say not be all. Not know me. Somebody there where know me now. Somebody know. Now me do a pastor combat. That rugged film. Now me do one based on my story. Now me do one. So I don't already write the 3 and 4 script down. Just that the money I wanted to do is big. So not be waiting I go even think to do for Bini. Maybe I will just start all over again. Just carry and go like use them Zupi Michael, them Jerry Amilo, MC Twinkle. Just carry our Bini and our English actors together. Do them all over again. Then maybe it go be Netflix movie. I don't want they do movie when on they go far again. I don't tire to they do film for YouTube. It doesn't pay, man. I don't get the money back. I'm an investor, so when I invest, I'm supposed to get my money back. So that's just the truth. Iradia is my favorite. Ah, thank you so much. People know me. Oh. I know, but get one comment where they say any leader. Who they drag leader with anybody? I know they drag leader. God forbid. They tell I use leader to do. A leader you go normal. Have you ever come out to see somebody go say name leader? Which difference? Difference is clear because me, I'm not like your puppy, whether not Steven Jr. I not be like your puppy where they go for Facebook. Where be me make bossing me agwan. Di yen about bono me like no say Morocco. Akoya I say why we are say I dey see some comments say no get the live video, so wanna go enjoy that one. I will say. Thank you so much, Iradia Dollar. This person are really my follower. Water Nation. Thank you so much. I love you. Movies when we don't do one way work leader. My way of I love you all and God bless you. And thank you to all of you who have taken time to answer me. Thank you so much, Lolo Gold said she loves all my movies. God bless you. Now I'm trying to introduce myself to you so all of you will know me. I know you as an executive producer. That's what I am. But a lot of people say, "I'm a now. Marry me, I film it there. What can they when I what's not they call? What's the I like to watch our live video sessions where oh tell her now we have a knocking. I have a knocking. I might be not there. Mama, if they watch me, I be executive producer. I'm a while we go, you go lawyer. But you don't have fan of Facebook. So amen. Ashley, let's say Ashley, amen. Thank you so much. It's Beatrice. She says she knows me. So for those who don't know me, I'm executive producer. I am the CEO Ewemade TV and Easy Concept. Easy Concept now for the costume. Then Ewemade TV now for my movies. So I love you all, but God loves you best. Always remember to pray before you sleep and let your eyes be on your men. Your eyes on your men. I don't already tell them, say, I don't want to invest where I know they get money. YouTube be good, or that's just the truth. There's no money when it comes to YouTube movies, so I had to stop. Because I may hear tell you go, that's just the truth. So, may man igual face. When man igual face, or when you go raw, they will keep doing it because you only keep a face in your industry. Remember, only make keep a face in me. You go make gualo. And so one of go I'm not supposed to know you go naire. Thank you so much. It's Beatrice. Thanks for loving me. I love you so much too. Waya, I love you so much. Pretty Price, thank you for staying with me right from the beginning. You guys have been here. Infinity Saga, I see you. Lola Gold, all of you now. God will bless all of you. Alright guys, I'll see you by weekend, by the grace of God, because I want to watch Ebony Small. I want to watch how she wanted to do, or while we went here weekend, while we make boom. But I'll be supplying you all with my videos. I'm on Instagram, is the Sugar IZZY SHUGA. That's my Instagram handle. Then I have a blog that I used to promote Edo music. That's called Edo Entertainers Blog. We are on Facebook and we are on Instagram. So those two they there. So guys, you know one person is saying come in peace. If you not come in peace, you go back in pieces before now. Okay, some people say they don't actually know me, so now make I tell them about me. So guys, thank you so much, and let's watch out how our sister go take the heart, because the audio way I get it actually too plenty. So I just keep calm because my mother asked me not to play it, so I'm not gonna play. But if everybody talk anyhow, I go play again, and maybe she will not like it too much. So let us watch Ebony now till weekend. Let's see how she reacts. If she reacts anyhow, who will do anyhow, go see anyhow. Or react anyhow, I go send the game boss me while I'm watching. I'm banking on you guys. I love you all. Bye bye.